Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Masuma Zehra.
I am Alvina.
Many of us don't like insects. Even I don't like insects. Do you guys like insects? Okay. But one insect that I like the most, and it's a butterfly. Beautiful wings, beautiful colors, and it also helps in pollination. Today we are going to explain you the life of a butterfly. There are 4 stages in the life of a butterfly. And the life cycle of a butterfly is known as metamorphosis. Okay, now Alvina will explain you the first 2 stages of life cycle of a butterfly.
The first stage is egg. The butterfly lays the eggs on the leaves of plants. And the life cycle starts with these tiny eggs. At the top of the egg, there is a small pit called the micropyle, from which water and air enters in the egg. And this stage is about 3 to 7 days. Now there is a second stage called larva. There is a developing larva inside the eggs. Now it's time to hatch. The larva tears the eggshell with its jaws, and it comes out. And when it comes out, it starts eating the eggshell from which it born at its first meal. And then it starts feeding on the leaves, and it eats all the time and grows very quickly. Then it eats all the time, it becomes full and goes to sleep. Now the third stage.
In third stage, the larva now becomes bigger. Once the larva becomes big, it stops eating. Now the larva called the pupa. This stage of butterfly is called chrysalis. The pupa remains motionless in the chrysalis. Once the butterfly, after 15 days, the full new grown adult butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis. Now you can see the full grown butterfly. Once the butterfly comes out, its wings are small and wet. After a few hours, it becomes stronger and the butterfly is able to fly. So kids, what to do now? Generally, the butterflies sit on flowers and not on branches and leaves because they drink nectar from flowers.
We should grow more flowers around us that we can play with this beautiful insect, the butterfly. Thank you.